wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jam Bisco back in the music lab with another banger, you know, people. You don't know where I do today. Yo, Dan Mafia. You see what we are doing today, man. Yeah, man, they say, yo, we actually reacted to the visualizer of this song already, you see me? And I told you, this dog gonna drop a video. You need to drop a video for this one, you see me? And he actually did it. And if you don't know me, we are talking about the bad Juvie himself. Yeah, man, we are talking about Pablo IG. Yeah, man, and this song was also off his album, or mixtape that he dropped the other day, entitled Bad Juvie in Town. Yeah, man, this song is also after that project, and this one is entitled Die, D-I-E. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't know if that stands for something differently, but yeah, man, Pablo YG dropped the video because it was a dope track. It was a very deep song off a mixtape. You know what I'm saying? So I said like this are a video, man. You know, and dog actually make a video. Yeah, about it. And if you don't know this about is I guess one of his friends that died young and thing. But we got to jump in that song, isn't it? Because I remember also we reacted to visualizer already. So the audio, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check out the video and see what I gotta do it. But you don't know, guys, we're back in a video in a music club today. I don't know if you're returning viewer, I don't know a code already. You see me and say, so you don't know code is life, so do the right thing, you know what I'm saying? And if you're new to the channel, you see me and you don't know over here, so make it Dan Mafia tell our family tell me, you see me and say the code we live by over here, so it's from here watch a video, you like the video. You see me and say from here watch the video, you like the video. And if you're new, you subscribe. So just do the right thing, no man. Code is life, man. I'm telling you, just do the right thing, no man. Alright, that is it. You see me? So we're gonna jump right in the video right now and see what I gotta deal with. You don't know Pablo YG is a young youth in the game and I'm doing thing, you see me? So I'm gonna do I check out the video. Cause enough people are saying video shot, you know. So I want to see what I gotta deal with. So I jump right in. This is Pablo YG, Die. Let's get it.
We are gonna die, and we are gonna die, and we are some sweet day we gon' fly away, fly, and we are gonna die, and we are gonna die, and we are.
Dog, lie down, blood clot, I make like feel you want to take for the belly, eh? You see them on your chest, dog, yo, come here, so.
Some sweet day we gon' fly away, fly. Yeah, me wish me coulda see her die. Them take your life like I never fear sometime. Me wish me coulda take my life gear, cause you're gone too soon. For we was a little kid, that reminds me that we all go.
Damn, bro. You man say, yo, Jaja, me wish me coulda see your dog. Them take your life like I no fear, dog. You see me? Wish me coulda take my life and give your dog. You see me? Look like when I in charge of them when you drop out very young. You see me? I say, and look like your dog rise up out of grave a while ago. How I go on? You see how I go on?
And we all gon' die, and we all some sweet day we gon' fly away, fly, and we all gon' die, and we all gon' die, and we all some sweet day.
Damn, look like your dog rise up out of grave, dog. Frighten your frig. See, that must have time, Bridget, dog. Yo, that's crazy. That rise up out of grave, bro.
We gon' fly away, fly. Yeah, me wish me coulda see her back. Every day my mother tell me, say me and your favorite dog. Me wish say me and you coulda play back. You're gone too soon, cause you're dead pan the same black reminds me. And we all gon' die, and we all gon' die, and we.
Damn, bro. Man, Bridget rise up out of grave again, dog. You see me, dog, then. See how Maggie John thing, man, yeah, right now face, that's crazy. Look like the data really affect Pablo, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you just be creative around, you know what I'm saying? But like, yo, whatever happened, come like, affect your dog free, man, cause yo, it's crazy.
We are some sweet day we gon' fly away, fly, and we all gon' die, and we all gon' die, and we are some sweet day we gon' fly away. It's all just life.
John dog, RIP to all our fallen soldiers, them, all our origin them will lose along the way, you don't know, you know what I'm saying? Big up all on yourself, dog, you don't know, never gone but not forgotten, you see me what I'm saying?
I have to fight the fight, me risk my life every day just to make a life, but me know it's gonna be alright, but if I die young, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, stand me away, stand me away.
say if I die young, bearing upon a blood clean bed of rose, send me away a dog. You see me I say, cause dog, I say, yo, like shot, you can go at any moment, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, yo, crazy.
And we all gonna die. And we all gonna die. And we all some sweet day we gon' fly away, fly. And we all gonna die. And we all gonna die. And we all some sweet day we gon'
Boy, you mean dog and him bridge. Easy that one. But dog king bridging clap it. You see me bridging that young and you get to live no life and every day that's crazy. You know, and bridging they are easy and graveside dog. Easy Pablo. This mad creative. Yeah man, me see a lot of people say the video are mad. You see me creative with different thing. Yeah man, dog, it's crazy man, you know what I'm saying?
fly away. More up them know say start now. But don't care, more up them know say nah done. Be gonna lift up carry cape on the bar gang. Be a man a lay down make it sing and like I'm a pain. And we all gonna die. And we all gonna die.
Dog, go blood clean. Okay, probably gonna make a step a while ago. He dog, you know? Dealing bridging and dog say, you know man, easy money, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let that go.
We are some see that we gon' fly away. We are, yeah we are, yeah we are. Some see that we gon' fly away. Yeah man. Well we are dead one at a time though.
Deep dog. I see me dog wishing class seeing bridging again when you can chill and vibe. You see me dog no matter how you can, you know what I'm saying? Jaja, dog wanna play ball and thing.
That's a matter of time with the on the earth said we are lie. I'm not afraid of darkness. Darkness always forward in a man of light though. And I day and night. If I'm a king
Jaja, that song about dog. You see me? Pablo, big up yourself.
I'm shoot this not shoot good brother. You see you free.
Yeah man, bad tune that. Big up Pablo YG dog. Real dope track bro. You see me and say very deep. A lot of people can relate, you know, to our people you know losing and bridging and soldier them where you fall like, you know what I'm saying dog? Yeah man, know a lot of people gonna relate to that and gravitate to that song. You see me and say? Yeah man, really deep track. Visuals mad, big up to King Cam. You know what I'm saying? Yo, and Pablo dog, you doing your thing dog, young youth in a game and thing. Go on do your thing, my G. You see me only got more experience and growth to do, and you know what I'm saying? It can only get better and better. You see me what I'm saying? So yeah man, big up to Pablo, big tune. You see me real dope track. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me go ahead and drop your emojis. You see me let me know what your favorite part is. You see me let me say the beat, melody. You see me if you get the message of the song and the video. Cause the video kinda help explain the lyrics and everything, and you know what I'm saying, give a different feel to the track. Yeah man, so real dope track there. So let me know what's your favorite part and drop your request and all that. You don't know you're gonna get your shout out. You don't know. Yeah man, you don't know the code already, you see me? Yeah man, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know code is life dog. Do the right thing, you see me? That is it. Yeah man, so till next time guys, you don't know about Jam Biscuit. I was here on a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.